Hi friends, my name is Zulekha Badar and I am a home-based baker. So during this holy month of Ramadan, I am making for you something sweet from the Middle Eastern. These are katefi. Katefi are basically Middle Eastern stuffed pancakes. These are found in different sizes and they are basically found in the streets of Jordan, Syria, Palestine and Morocco. So they have different kind of fillings in them. Some stuff them with cow cheese, some do it with nuts. What we are doing today is we are doing it with Esta. Esta is basically a custard cream filling that we are going to prepare. So let's not waste too much time and let's get started. So these are the ingredients required for making the katef. Katef is basically a Lebanese pancake. So we need 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 cup flour, half teaspoon instant dry yeast, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 or 2 teaspoon vanilla essence, half cup milk, half cup semolina and 1 cup water. So we mix first all the dry ingredients and then we add the wet ingredients. We mix all this together and cover it and keep it for a minimum of 30 minutes. So this is after 30 minutes. It started bubbling. We start making our pancakes over here. This is a 1/4 size cup. So you can use 2 to 3 tablespoons also depending on the size of the pancakes you need. We pour these pancakes and let it bubble up. They start bubbling, they start creating holes, and later on what will happen, the surface will get dry on its own. So that is the time you know that your pancakes are done and you just remove them. You don't need to flip them. You don't need to cook it more than that because then it will get a little dry. Okay, it looks done. So here we made all our pancakes and covered them with a cloth so that they don't go dry. Okay, I'll just show you one. This is the color we are looking for. So now we'll start doing the filling. The ingredients required to make the Esta cream are 1 cup of a heavy cream, 1/2 cup milk, 2 tablespoons corn flour, 2 tablespoons flour and 2 tablespoons castor sugar. What we do is here now just mix everything together and whisk it. So now we cook it on a medium heat till it comes to a boil. It starts thickening, and once it comes to a boil, we simmer it for 30 seconds till it's nice and thick. So now after it becomes thick like this, now we remove it into a separate bowl and just cling film it and keep it rested for some time till it's completely cooled. So we just cling wrap it. It's called surface wrap, where you touch the cling to the surface of so that we don't have any kind of layer formation on the top. Now we let this sit at least for an hour till it's completely cooled down. So this is the cream that we had made, the custard, and it's been an hour and this is now completely chilled. So now we mix our ricotta cheese. This is 250 grams of ricotta cheese that we've used. We mix it with our cream. If you don't find ricotta cheese, you can substitute with just crumbled paneer. Should work fine. We add ricotta to this. We just mix both of them well. Okay, so we start our filling. Take your pancake. press it. Okay, so we've filling all of them. Now we'll just garnish them with some pistachios. So here is your katef or katefi ready. So this is what the end result is. They look so beautiful and I'm sure you're going to love them. Thank you.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.